Let's look at iterating over a 1D array, but this time we will use a for each structure. Our first line creates grades equal to the initializer list 80, 70, 90, and 95. We've illustrated that with grades being a reference to 80, 70, 90, and 95. In the for each loop structure, int grade grades is going to actually access the individual values of grades one at a time, starting with the first one. So it's iterating over the values 80, 70, 90, and 95. So grade will get the value 80, and that will be printed to the console. Then grade will get the next value, which is 70, and 70 will be printed. Grade will get the third value, 90, and 90 will be printed. Grade will get the fourth value, 95, and 95 will be printed. And then we stop.